Landmarks, page 7. Many mining towns in the West started in out-of-the-way places where gold and silver deposits were found. In a brief time, they became boom towns. These towns grew quickly as thousands of prospectors and merchants moved to those places. However, when the gold or silver ran out, the towns were abandoned. These miners moved on to new strikes and claims. Other citizens left too. Without money from the miners, businesses closed. Soon, all that remained of the town were the deserted buildings and vacant lots. Many of these ghost towns are still standing today. People come to ghost towns to see what life was like during the gold rush. Disneyland is in Southern California. It is part of a giant entertainment industry. This industry began by making movies. America's first movies were made in the Northeast. The movie makers needed sunny days to film outdoors. The Northeast is often cloudy and rainy. A few movie makers found the sunshine they needed in Southern California. Los Angeles, the second largest city in the nation, is now the home of the Hollywood movie industry. The movie industry soon attracted a man named Walt Disney. Disney arrived in Southern California in 1923 with one big goal. He wanted to make people happy. Disney's cartoons delighted kids of all ages. So did his movies, television shows, and the Magic Kingdom of Disneyland. Disneyland opened in 1955. This year, as many as 14 million people will visit the park.